blizzard. It's pretty cool. Honestly, I feel like I'm in a digital world. I'm looking through the glasses, through the Apple Vision Pro. Like the snow, like I see it really clearly. It looks like I'm in a virtual environment when I look at the real world through these glasses. Ooh, my hands are freezing. I'm probably gonna go back. Oh, she wanna. This is how it's gonna be. Okay. I can't really feel that accurate here, you know? My hands are freezing. I sure brought some gloves, but